Hi everyone. One of the questions we often get asked is how do I clean my BFM connectors? There's a few different options you have depending on if you have a fabric connector like our LM3, LM4, Teflex woven or FM1 breather bags, or a non-breathable connector like our C-Flex range or the Teflex NP range of connectors. It's really easy, so here's a quick demonstration of some of the ways you can clean your BFM connectors. For LM3, LM4 or Teflex connectors, you can clean them using an air gun, blowing from the outside or inside to free up any material that's caught in the pores of the connectors. You can also do this for FM1. Ensure you're blowing from the outside in to remove any caked material and ensure the pores of the filter media are no longer clogged. You can also clean using detergent or soapy water in either a dedicated washing machine, a COP bath, or a bucket. Add soapy water and your connector, and then agitate the connector through the water to ensure that the soap or detergent gets all through the connector. After this, agitate lightly to remove any soil or contaminants from the connector. Once this has been completed, ensure that your connectors are completely dry before returning them to the process. Wet fabric connectors can lead to caking product, which should be avoided. You can do this by line drying connectors and allowing them to completely dry before returning them to your process. Non-breathable connectors are designed for CIP processes. So if you have an acid and a caustic wash that needs to go through the connector, you can use these connectors. They're also perfect for use with a rinse cycle as well. You can also clean non-breathable connectors using isopropyl alcohol and a clean cloth. Similar to fabric connectors, you can also clean them using soapy or detergent water by agitating the connector through the water and ensuring all soil or contaminant is removed from the surface of the connector. Again, ensure that you wipe the connector down so that it's completely dry before you return it to your process so that it doesn't affect any part of your process or product. Thanks for watching everyone, and if you have any further technical questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.